And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
All right, checking in on our forecast now with meteorologist Andrew Salmon. I see some green and yellow on the map, which can only mean a couple things when we talk about the weather.
Yeah, unfortunately, it means severe weather going into the day tomorrow. But the good news is here with just the green across the area, we have just a level 1 out of 5 risk from the Storm Prediction Center, which means that an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm cannot be ruled out, but widespread severe weather is not expected. Now off to our east over into Louisiana, that is where we do have that risk of a higher risk of some strong to severe thunderstorms. If you have any friends over by, say, Alexandria to Monroe, let them know there's a bit of a higher threat for severe weather in those locations. But overall, we are underneath that level 1 out of 5 risk, really along the line from Crockett to Jacksonville, Gilmer, Mount Pleasant, and to points east right up to the Louisiana state line underneath that 1 out of 5 risk. In terms of the specific severe weather threats that we are looking at, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, the primary concern, up to 60 miles per hour. Tornado, large hail, flash flooding threat, all on the lower side for us, but still not zero. So make sure to stay weather aware. Flash flooding, I think, will be more of a problem actually outside of the severe weather area in our northwestern zones, which could see multiple rounds of heavy rain, as we will see here in Futurecast. For the remainder of this afternoon, it's just some widely scattered showers, nothing particularly heavy for East Texas during the day today. Heavier rain off to our west, though, with a few thunderstorms developing. But those thunderstorms will continue really along the DFW metro area, but some of that will extend into our northwesternmost zones. Here's 5 a.m. Wednesday. There's a lot of heavy rain moving through northwestern areas from Henderson to Van Zant, Rains, Hopkins County, even parts of Wood County as well. This is a chilly rain for us, though, so the air is not going to be that unstable at the surface at the very least. So all of this activity is just elevated thunderstorms. It's this activity that in deep East Texas in particular that we will have to watch the closest, because the air is a bit more unstable here. You can see by 10 o'clock in the morning we're already seeing some 70s on the board. That means it is warmer, and generally the warmer it gets, the more unstable the atmosphere gets. So we'll be watching this area again the farther east you go across East Texas for the greatest severe weather potential. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday, you can see some heavier thunderstorms developing over in the Toledo Bend area. Some heavy rain just off to the west from Sulphur Springs down to Mineola and Palestine. So expect just a wet day overall for us with showers and some thunderstorms. And again, an isolated severe thunderstorm cannot be ruled out. By 9 o'clock in the evening, the clouds on Wednesday are decreasing across the area, and temperatures will drop down to the upper 30s as we head into Thursday night, and then we'll rebound to the 50s and 60s as early as 11 o'clock in the morning on our Thursday. Back to right now, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies across the area. Some peaks of sunshine as well, but a few passing showers east of Tyler now, up towards the Pittsburgh area, east of Athens, and then also some showers over into the DFW area. Also have a few showers down to deep East Texas through Trinity and Angelina County, and even northern Nacogdoches County as well, but nothing is really too heavy. High temperatures later today will be climbing into the upper 60s and low 70s, even a few mid 70s. Down into deep East Texas. Winds today out of the southeast at 15 miles per hour, so we will have a bit of a breeze for us today, although it won't be nearly as windy as what we saw yesterday. The normal high temperature right now is 60 degrees. We are going to be staying above that for the next 3 days here, but another cold front moves in Thursday night into Friday, which will bring a big cool down to our area with those highs in the upper 40s. Again, to recap for today, we're seeing mostly cloudy skies with some scattered showers, and then tonight we will see the storm threat increasing, especially after midnight, as temperatures drop down to the middle 50s. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We're much colder by Friday, but we're dry to start the weekend. More showers become possible to end the weekend, and then for deep East Texas, we have more of the same. And for your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website